want to show you what I got today. Just picked it up. This is a cocktail smoker kit, but a lot of these, this one's a little bit different because it is a battery operated or electric one. A lot of these you set up, you have to have a little torch and you got to kind of play with it a little bit, but this one is set up to be USB-C rechargeable and use a little bit of electricity to create the smoking environment. Now, let me show you how this works. It's pretty simple. It comes with 6 different wood types. You got your cherry, your beech, your pear, your oak, your hickory, which is always my favorite, and your apple. It comes with these 6 different flavors, so that as it smokes, it's imparting a slightly different flavor to any of your cocktails. Also does come with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. I got those laying around everywhere. I don't really need one. It does come with the metal whiskey stones. If you were looking for those to put your drink on the rocks without watering it down, that's what this is for. Not a big fan of these, but they're nice to have around for guests and things, and a few extras, including a cleaning brush and another wire grate. Also comes with a serving spoon to help you dish out just the right amount of these. Overall, this seems to be a great little smoker. I love having this. What I really love about it is I can just throw it into a bag nice and easily as long as it's charged, and I can take it with me to friends' houses, to bonfires, to parties, anything like that where I want to do a little bit of making cocktails, make them a little bit special. If you're looking for a starter cocktail smoking kit, I think this is the way to go, man. It's got your 6 different wood flavors. It's easy to use. It's battery operated. You're not having to mess around with the right amount of fire, or not having enough fire, or not having enough oxygen getting to it. It's pretty straightforward. It's plug and play. It's good to go. Check it out. I think you're going to love it.